In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack, offering you a comprehensive guide for 2025 that's both simple and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly connect your task management in Asana with your team communication in Slack, improving your workflow and keeping everything more synchronized. Let's get started by diving into the first step, installing the Asana app in Slack. In your Slack workspace, take a look at the left sidebar and locate the apps section. This is where you can find all the current apps integrated into your Slack workspace. Once you're there, click on Browse Apps to open up a world of productivity possibilities. In the search bar, type Asana. You should see the Asana option pop up. Click on Add to Slack to bring it into your workspace. A quick note here, you'll need to click Install as well to complete the setup. This step ensures that Slack can communicate properly with Asana, so you're not missing out on any crucial updates. Now, to make sure that these two platforms are communicating effectively, you need to authorize the integration. When prompted, just click Allow. This authorization is essential because it bridges your Asana tasks with Slack notifications, letting you receive updates right where your team collaborates. Once the integration is installed, it's time to link your Asana projects directly to your Slack channels. First, open up Slack and go to the specific channel where you'd like to receive Asana updates. This is typically a channel where your team discusses related projects or tasks. Then simply type Asana link. This command will prompt you to select the specific Asana project you wish to keep in sync with Slack. After choosing the right project, you'll have the option to select which types of notifications you'd like to receive. Notifications can include new tasks added to the project, tasks that have been completed, or comments made on tasks. These updates ensure that your team stays informed of project changes in real time without needing to switch back and forth between apps. Once you've made your selections, hit Save to confirm. Your tasks and updates are now linked into the Slack channel, streamlining your project management process. As a couple of final tips, you can use the command Asana help in Slack to view all available commands, which can further refine your integration setup. If you find the need to unlink a project at any time, simply use the Asana unlink command. Should you encounter any issues, try reauthorizing the integration. You can do this by navigating to Apps, then Manage Apps in Asana, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Asana with Slack. This setup not only enhances your productivity, but also ensures that all team members are on the same page. Thanks for tuning in and happy collaborating.